Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a small pinata goodie bag. First step is to trace out all your patterns. You're going to need quite a bit of them. I'm going to be doing this in two sections, the top and the bottom of the donut. Once you got all of them cut out, crease where you're going to tape them all together. There you go. And cutting out for the pattern of the frosting. And tape it together. If you don't mind taking some time to like and subscribe to the video, I would appreciate it. Once you get everything taped together, see if the two pieces fit. Perfect. Now time to decorate. This is going to be the bottom of the donut. Cut off the excess of the paper. And now time for the top of the donut, the frosting. Get all the frosting on, cut out for the sprinkles. I'm using a hole punch. And apply the sprinkles. Now that you have that done, time to put a small hole. Put the rope on your pinata. And the final step, adding all the goodies. Put a little bit of glue around the edges. And put the top frosting on. And there you go. Small little personal goodie bag pinata. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.